Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a color contact try-on haul. Keep on watching.
Just4Kira sent me some color contact lenses to try on. This is the box that the contacts came in. Each contacts lens comes in its own box. Some people have different prescriptions for their eyes, which I do. My right eye prescription is much stronger than the left, so this was perfect. They also come with a nice container with two tools that you can use for applying and also taking off the contact lenses. So let's get right into this try-on haul. The first pair of contact lenses that I'm going to be trying on are in the color Aurora Blue. So I decided to put the contact lenses in with my finger like I do with my regular contact lenses. I decided not to use the tools because I'm used to doing it this way. When I first applied the contact lens, it was slightly blurry. My eyes did have to adjust, but the prescription came through and I'm absolutely feeling this cool blue. Next up, we have the color Vision Hazel. This color is closest to my natural eye color and I absolutely love it. I do have a discount code and several other codes that I will put in the description box, so make sure that you check it out, as well as all of the links for the different colors of contacts. I was definitely feeling this Vision Hazel. I could see myself wearing these on a daily basis. Next up, we have the color Crystal Gray, and I am just amazed at how these color contacts show up on my dark eye color. Like, I was very much impressed. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about this Crystal Gray at first, but as you can see, I am definitely feeling myself. And last but not least, we have Moira Green, and these are definitely vibrant. So the installation of these contact lenses were super easy. My prescription came all the way through. It was so easy to see through these contact lenses. I have tried color contact lenses before, and my vision was so blurred that I could not even wear them around. But I had absolutely no issues with these lenses.
Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section which color was your favorite. Also, make sure you check out the description box where I will leave the link for you to purchase these contact lenses. I'll also leave a discount code up above, so make sure that you use it. Again, thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.